Okay, I'm going to show you a quick little fun thing I wrote, which is a actually an iPhone-enabled controller for a video routing switcher, which I've got running in the back there. It's an inline 3808, which got 8 inputs and 4 outputs, and I don't have that many outputs. Right now I just have the VCR and the DVD playing. So DVD is playing on the left-hand side, VCR is playing on the right-hand side, and so what I'm going to do is actually just fire up the iPhone app, which is actually just it's a web-based app that just is pulling off of an Apache server. So we've got, I don't know if you can see it right there, but I've got 4 inputs. Boy, that's really terrible. Look at that. Dismiss my battery. Okay, so let's go to output 1, which will be the left-hand screen right there. Which you can see right now is displaying, well, it actually says input 1 or input 2, which means that's the one that is currently selected. So if I want, I can go and select input 1, which will actually be the football game. So let me go ahead and do that. Select input 1, and now we've got it going. So you can actually see it in frame. I actually select input 2, and there you go. Now you see it. Actually, I'll do it one more time so you can actually see the lights over there on the routing switcher change. So we'll go back to input 1. There you go. Now we're back. So if I want to go do the same thing for output 2, I can go select output 2, and now we can see that one has input 1 selected, which is the game. So we'll select that, and now that's watching what's on the Transformers, it looks like. So anyway, so all that's done is basically through the iPhone, which is just pulling up a local web page on the LAN here. It's a little Apache Linux server that I've got the iWebKit running on. This may be able to see a lot better. Oh yeah, look at this. So okay, so this is what it looks like, and I'll do it again. So there's output 1, 2, 3, and 4 of the routing switcher, which correspond to those little guys, vertical guys right there. So if I select output 1, which is my left-hand monitor, and I select input 2, you can see that changed back over to Transformers. So now we're back on input 2. I'll go back to input 1, click it there. So you can see it changed back to the game. So I'll do it. And then you can see it'll also go to black. The other inputs, if I had obviously more inputs, it would work just fine. So anyway, that's what it is. Pretty slick little guy. Again, most of the prettiness of the little UI here is from iWebKit, which is a free download, and can pretty much make any website iPhone compatible. This also works on Android phones as well. So anyway, oh, actually, let me show you really quick. So there's the front of the routing switcher. Again, nothing real special. It's typical routing switcher. There's lots of other commands I can give it, but the way it's actually controlling it is back here in the back. Obviously, there are my inputs. Inputs over here, outputs over here. More inputs over here. Is just this simple little RS-232 command coming down here to this little Linux box right here, just chugging away, running Apache and spitting out serial commands. So anyway, that's it. Fun little project.